Welcome to Canvas Academy. I'm Kari Lynn, a fellow painter, a fellow artist just like you. I'm going to show you step by step in so many classes and so many courses how to improve yourself as a painter. Whether it's in acrylic paint or watercolor paint that we make from our acrylic paints. I'm here to help you and be your guide to make sure that this is the best painting journey you'll ever take. So, I hope you're ready to pick up a paintbrush and get started. As I always like to say, happy painting, home dogs!